How to unlock locked Facebook profile. First is by opening your Facebook app and then go to forgot password right here and then type in your mobile number or your email that you have used with your Facebook. So I'll just type in my email right here and then you need to click on find account right here. Once you have seen or clicked on find account, so I'll just retype it once again, .com, click on find account, and then once you have done that, you need to choose the account that you have. So it will show a number of accounts, and then you need to choose your profile, and it will send a link to your email. So you need to open your email, such as your Gmail, and look for the Facebook mail and click on the link that they will be providing you. So once you click on the link that they have provided, you may then um, type in the new password that you have, and then you may be able to unlock your Facebook profile. So that's it. That's how you can unlock locked Facebook profile.
So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.